is so beautiful that I thought I have to take a video and explain it. There is a community in Orange County that feels like a private canyon in truth. It is just as close to beach as Irvine is. For right now, I am at the hilltop in Rancho Mission Viejo villages, and this is something that you have to see it on your own to believe it. I have been involved in this project for many years, but it wasn't until today that I came here to take a walk around and I realized how beautiful this place is. Located at the southernmost edge of Orange County, Rancho Mission Viejo is one of the region's most unique master plan communities. Spanning more than 23,000 acres, it offers a lifestyle that's very different from what many people imagine when they think of Orange County. What makes this place especially interesting is its commitment to preserving the land. Out of the entire 23,000 acres, more than 21,000 acres are permanently protected. That means much of the natural landscape surrounding the community will remain untouched for the generations to come. But Rancho Mission Viejo isn't just about open space, it's also about creating a multi-generational community. Here you'll find traditional all-ages neighborhoods seamlessly integrated with Gavilan, the community's age-qualified neighborhood for residents 55 plus and older. Families can live close to parents and grandparents while still enjoying separate lifestyle amenities tailored to different stages of life. The community itself is divided into several villages, each with its own identity and story. The first, Sendero, opened in 2013 and served as the gateway into the master plan community. Next came Esencia, designed to be the heart of the ranch and focuses on wellness, community gathering spaces, and a diverse collection of homes built into the surrounding hillsides. The newest village is Rienda, which features some of the largest home sites in the community, along with the latest construction standards and design trends. Then there is Gavilan. The Gavilan is the signature name used for the age-qualified neighborhoods located throughout the ranch, and in 2026, Rancho Mission Viejo introduced Gavilan, the first standard village dedicated entirely to the 55-plus lifestyle. Of course, a community of this scale wouldn't become without impressive amenities, and there are so many. One of the most popular destinations in the Hilltop Club in Esencia has exclusive clubhouse, features a fitness center, arcade gathering spaces, and even a bar with sweeping views stretching toward the coast. Over in Rienda, you will find Ranch Camp, home a Ranch Cove, a massive 20,000 square foot lagoon-style pool complete with a cascading stream. There is even a casting pond where residents can practice fly fishing. And the community continues to grow. By 2027, Rancho Mission Viejo is expected to add Esencia Commons Retail Center, as well as the new Rienda School, a project valued at approximately $78.5 million. Another factor that many homebuyers find attractive is the community's long-term growth plan. Rancho Mission Viejo has a strict cap of approximately 14,000 homes across the entire ranch, creating a level of scarcity that's increasingly difficult to find in Southern California. Having personally helped buyers explore homes here, one thing that stands out every time I visit Rancho Mission Viejo is that it feels different. You will see runners and cyclists throughout the neighborhoods, families gathering at parks, and golf carts traveling throughout the entire community. Almost as often as you see cars, you see golf carts. There is a strong sense of outdoor living and connection that many residents are specifically seeking. Now, Rancho Mission Viejo isn't for everyone. Some people prefer being closer to a major employment centers or urban environments, but for those looking for newer homes, extensive amenities, protected open space, and a lifestyle centered around community and outdoor living, Rancho Mission Viejo has become one of Orange County's most sought after destinations. And in a region where brand new single-story homes are becoming increasingly rare, the fact that you can still find them here says a lot about what makes this community so special. What do you think about Rancho Mission Viejo? Is it Orange County's hidden gem, or would you rather live somewhere else? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Orange County community tours, development updates, and new home insights.